Robin is weirder than Brooke is. Why is that the case?
Well, they are both comfortable with who they are, but Robin is particularly comfortable with who he is and enjoys being who he is, and actually, he loves being here in Portland. Portland is the right spot for him.
Yes, it is the right spot for him.
And their other brother that's Debbie, and their other brother was here with their mother tonight, so he looks just like.
I think
See what jersey she
four
was
brothers.
wearing, right?
Yeah.
You saw the jersey she was wearing.
Blazer jersey, but a Brooklyn Nets hat.
Right.
That's Jabari Young right there, our Blazer insider.
Jersey, what counts, right?
Yeah, jerseys would count.
Well, do you think she'll flip it around if the game was in Brooklyn?
No.
You think she's a true Blazer fan?
Right.
I think she's a West Coast person.
No, I think she wears the jersey of whatever the home team is.
Hey, Dan.
Wears the hat.
Dan. Stop, man.
I'm telling you, that's just what she told me. I asked her and she told me.
You know, by the way, Robin and Brooke both played on the same Stanford team. You know that Debbie was a swimmer at Stanford and tried out for the Olympics?
Athletic family.
Mike's the true insider over here.
Wow.
Trying.
And not,
That was one of these media guys.
They're also not the first of the Lopez siblings to play pro basketball. Two of their brothers played in Europe. So, I mean, basketball runs in this family deep and thoroughly, and they're all very good at what they do.
Jabari Young joining us from the locker room.
What you got left?
What's the word?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's always good when you win. But, credit again to guys who have not seen the light of day to come on the court when their name is called. Tonight it was Myers Leonard's turn.